In this video, I'll be showing you how to unhide the templates and make them visible in Google Sites in a very simple and easy way. So let's begin the video. Once we log into Google Sites, this is the main page that we normally land on after signing into the account. Usually, by default, the Google Sites template gallery will appear right here beside the blank site option on the homepage. So to bring back the hidden templates, we first need to click on the hamburger menu icon located on the top left-hand side of the screen. Next, from this drop-down menu, click on the settings option. Then a small pop-up window will appear on the screen. Here, we need to select the option called Display Recent Templates on Home Screens. Once this box is checked, simply save the changes made here. And done. Now, the Google Sites template gallery is visible once again, along with all the available Google Sites templates on the home page. With that, we've reached the end of this video. If this helped you, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below.